Hey everybody, puberty, I guess, my voice is cracking. Another experiment time. I was going to do just a regular swipe, but when I took the plastic off this canvas, I thought, maybe some kind of plastic swipey thingy. We'll see. We shall see. So let me get my gloves on. The white paint I'm using is titanium white mixed with Floetrol and water. And I've got it in this jug. And I am going to try and catch, I need some with silicone, so when I tilt, I am going to tilt a little bit off into there. That should be enough. That was very sloppy. It's like trying to get a urine sample from a child. That's kind of what it feels like. Or a dog. I've had to do that too. That's no fun. But those of you who have had to do it from either, it's kind of what it felt like just now. Alrighty, pop the air bubbles. Actually, I'm going to try and pour off any excess. So I'm going to be adding quite a bit of paint to this, so I don't need a ton. I'm actually going to use little droppers, so I don't get too much. So this is ARTEZA Deep Yellow. And then this is a mixture I made with red, blue, and purple. And some iridescent. And I've got pearl turquoise, which is ARTEZA. And yes, I just contaminated it, but not by much, so it's okay. Alrighty, and now I've got red. I was going to add neon pink, but I don't think I will anymore. Alright, so I've got my white paint in here, spot on treadmill silicone. A couple drops. And I've got another dropper here, so I may as well stir using that one. This is the plastic that came on this. will slide it. Except it's gonna take all of it off if I slide it. I don't know what to do with this. It's really pretty though. The plastic's really pretty. Blow the edges out a little. So pretty, it's like jewels. I'm not tilting it at all. Not at all. This is really pretty too. But that I'm gonna throw away. Very pretty. Alright, I'm actually going to come around to grab the camera because I don't want to accidentally lay myself in this painting because I have done that before. And this one's too pretty for that. Woo! So cool! Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited as to how this turned out. Woohoo! So I will, of course, catch you all next time. Bye.